Meet Sarah, a small candle business owner. She was making less than $500 a month and was close to giving up on her dream. One day she decided to learn digital marketing. She promised herself to try 3 strategies seriously for 90 days before quitting. Sarah stopped posting random product photos. Instead, she created helpful content like how to make your home smell amazing naturally and candles that reduce stress. She posted this kind of content every single day on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. People started to see her as an expert, not just a seller. Next, Sarah created a simple email list. She offered, "Join my newsletter and get 10% off your first order" on all her posts and website. Every new follower who liked her content joined her email list. Whenever she launched a new scent, she emailed her list and got instant orders. Finally, she spent just $5 a day on TikTok and Instagram ads. The ad was a short video showing how she handmade each candle with love. The ad felt real and authentic. For every $5 she spent, she made about $60 back in sales. Her small budget was now working like a machine. After 3 months of consistent content, email marketing, and simple ads, Sarah's business grew from under $500 to over $10,000 a month in revenue. Sarah had no big team or huge budget, just smart digital marketing. Any small business can do this too. Follow me for more stories and strategies to grow your income online.